harmful sunlight, pollution, and makeup. Every day, our skin goes through quite a tough time. While we might be aware of how our lifestyle affects the health of our skin, using the wrong products or not using them correctly may cause even more damage. This leads to different types of pigmentation, like dark spots, dark patches, or even unhealthy looking dark circles. So, if you're looking for a remedy for these skin concerns, we are here with some easy at home masks that will be your go to solution. Since natural ingredients tend to be more concentrated, always remember to use these home remedies mindfully and for a shorter time. This will avoid any irritation or inflammation. You can use these masks individually or as one multi-mask depending on your skin's needs. We hope these kitchen ingredients help you get that perfect glowing skin. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.